Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to create a new project. We will create a live watch in our turtle by using turtle in our terminal. So first I would like to start by importing turtle like always. Then I would like to import time. Yep. And next thing I would like to do is write screen. This is our screen turtle. Screen equals turtle dot screen. Yep. Next thing we like to do is write screen dot bg color. This is like the background color equals black like always. Then we like to write clock equals turtle dot turtle. Then we'd like to do is write clock dot hide turtle clock dot color. I would like to write green. Then I would like to write clock dot pin up. Then we'd like to write clock dot goto, and inside of the brackets we'd like to write 0, comma and 0. Okay guys, next thing we'd like to do is write while true, yep, colon, we'd like to write clock dot clear. Then we'd like to write current time equals time dot strf time. Then we'd like to open up brackets and write there percentage h colon percentage colon like hours, minutes. Then we'd like to write seconds, and that's all. Then we'd like to write clock dot write, open up the brackets, current time comma align equals without the h, align equals center comma font equals, open up the brackets, right, career then comma inside of the brackets and write 40. Then we'd like to write bold. Okay guys, let's save it up and let's run it. So as you see guys, we've got our time over here, but wait, what will happen if I write cyan? Okay, like changing the color a little bit. See guys, it's the time. So okay guys, that's all for this video. See you next time. Bye bye.